Hey guys, today we're going to be using A&E seat belts and the above the tie SE1. Let's get this again. Good afternoon, West Chevy enthusiasts and newbies. Welcome into the rabbit hole with Cal Shays. Special thanks to all of our first responders. This is a beard blanket, also made by first responders. Helps prep your beard. I have not shaved in quite a while. So, actually I have an unexpected day off because my truck is broken down. So today, I did a trade recently with a buddy of mine, Nick, for A&E St. Barts. Great scent on it. It's the first time using it. This is a beef tallow, and it is inspired, I checked my notes, by Creed Virgin Island Water. I will display the full list of scent notes in my edits here, but lime, coconut, and rum. Of course we're going to go with the matching aftershave splash. And Pete Bellinger won my Christmas giveaway. Fellow wet shaver, also fellow brother of the leaf, so we have that in common. We traded cigars back and forth. We did a trade a while ago, and he traded me this above the tie SE1. Give me a pack of blades to go with it. So we are going to give this one hell of a workout and see how it works. Bamboo handle, 3.5 inch handle, overall 3 3/4 length. And we have 1.3 ounces or 37 grams. And it is made with 7075 aircraft grade aluminum. So, oh, and a 0.61 millimeter blade gap. They list this as a medium aggressive. So we'll be giving this a go. We're not going to do a whole lot of talking in this video, guys. I think I like just cranking up the tunes. And anyway, in the skull, we have soaking. My Samoa 830 bore. You guys saw me use this in my talk about this in my 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 tag video. So we'll give that a go. So we're mic'd up. Put that aside. And like I said, I think we're just going to keep the talking to a bit of a minimum. I don't know what to expect from this shave. Like I said, where I have a lot of growth to come off. I mean, I could take the easy way and just use my Mule R41 or my PAA Ascension. I know it'll clean this off in one pass. But what's the fun of that? You can't save me from my Thirsty Badger Leather Bowl, Jared Francais and his wife, Mrs. Francais. From Warman, Saskatchewan, if I remember correctly. Get this tilt down. Shout out to my buddy Ed Monk of Spiffo Grooming. Tearing through my mind, back through all the signs, the valley of the Now I put a fair bit of water in there, so let's see how this is going to hold up. So we'll give that a go. As you guys know, I don't spend a lot of time building up huge lathers. So, first pass with the grain. I'm not sure if I've ever used, I might have used 1 or 2 single edges before. Seems to be removing that without too much trouble. My first impression is aluminum is a 10 on the light side for me. This style of handle I've got is a razor rock barber pole, or bamboo. And not my personal favorite, but it's what come with it. I know there are other styles of handles available for this razor. Now there are ladder slots down below, but you can see this much growth is plugging them up. So what we'll do is we'll take a second, take it apart, so you guys didn't get down or drenched in water noise. See how plugged up that is. Again, not an unexpected result at all. There, that did a much better job. These blades are 2 inches wide. I don't remember what a standard DE blade is. I'll check and put it in the edits here. Not bad for pass 1. So we're going to re-wet the face, lather, pass 2. Great scent on this. Not real strong. I've never really rated scents before in my videos, but I would say maybe a scent strength of about a 4 out of 10. Maybe a 5 out of 10, not super strong. So, second pass. Across the grain. I think the only thing I've ever used anything like this with single edge was the Razor Rock Hawk. I'm not sure which version, and I did a trade for that quite a while ago. I believe that might have went to Matthew LeBeau outside of Montreal. But actually finding the angle quite easy to find. Couple of weavers, but that's not unexpected. A little bit of irritation again where I haven't shaved in probably close to 3 weeks. Big surprise. given how much hair that I had to mow through, that's actually done a nice job. So we're just gonna re-wet and go for our third pass and probably a bit of a tidy up. I'm not gonna aim for BBS with this one. I'm not gonna run the irritation or run the irritation on my neck. Not a chance. So, final pass. Like I said, maybe lost a little bit of a tidy up. Against. Okay. Yes, you did, and I'm recording. I'm recording. That's fine. My girlfriend's daughter just came home from her run. The gym is closed, so she's had to find other ways. And right now she has been using our living room furniture to do pull-ups on. And she got some free weights out there, some dumbbells and stuff. So her mother just went for a walk with her girlfriend, and good time for me to record a video. And I said my stepdaughter just went for a run. Highly intelligent, highly athletic, and she makes me feel like a stump. Okay, so cheeks are BBS, but like I said, I don't have super thick growth on my cheeks anyway. Neck is DFS, damn fine shave. So we're gonna pause this, we're gonna go into the kitchen. I just find it so much easier. You can use the spray nozzle, get this washed out of our beard, and we'll come right back, so stay tuned, thanks. Hey guys, we're back. Rinsed out, I think, mostly. Overall, super impressed. I didn't figure that razor would go through it as easily as it did, so really cool with that. I am gonna run the alum over this, because there's irritation on my neck, and I just want to help abate that a bit. Yeah, a bit of steam, but nothing too serious. I've definitely had worse. So yeah, I'm not unhappy at all with that. So yeah, just give this a quick rinse off. And we're going to take the matching aftershave. I will list ingredients in the description. I believe this is aloe. I don't think there's alcohol in here, but I will list the ingredients. Feels great. So we're just going to do a quick sum up, and we're going to talk about two other things fairly quickly. So today was A&E, St. Barts, beef tallow, scent notes of lime, coconut, and rum. Further description or further scent notes in the description. Matching aftershave balm. Above the tie, SE1 aluminum with the bamboo handle and a brand new feather Pro Guard in there. Samo Gate 30 bore. Of course, our Thirsty Badger lather bowl. And we opened with the beard blanket. These are available on Amazon. Very cool. First responders, thank you guys. You guys put yourselves at risk Today's mustache wax, which I need to reapply. This is Red Engine Co. from Qualicum Beach, British Columbia. I've been using this a lot lately. It's got two different versions. I also see he's got a beard oil out. Fantastic. So, one of the last two things I will talk about is, of course, right now with the quarantine, I think a lot of hairdressers and barbers are closed. So I think people are learning to do it themselves. So my girlfriend offered, and we watched an Alpha M video. I did reach out to him, but he hasn't responded yet. But we watched his video. Now at the time, this was yesterday, I just had my wall beard trimmer. So she did what she could, and I think she did an awesome job. I mean, beard trimmer's what, that wide? So, and then she buzzed up the sides or trimmed up the sides and then give me trim on top. And I think it looks friggin' fantastic. So we watched Alpham's video. I will link to that particular video here. I love his channel. So what I ended up doing today is I went over to Shoppers Drug Mart. We had to go there for something. And I ended up buying this. It's a Philips multi-trimmer. It's the 5000 series. Comes with about 18 attachments for beard, body, and head. Instruction booklet, nose trimmer, the whole works. And I just did a quick tidy up. So using my stepdaughter's handheld mirror, and let's see, I really can't tell what this looks like, but between what my girlfriend did and I did, just a quick tidy up, get some of the longer hairs from down the bottom. Hopefully it's not too bad. I know what she did yesterday was awesome. As long as I didn't get up today, we'll be okay. So anyway, guys, I appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. As always, your comments, your suggestions, good, bad, indifferent, please leave them below. And you guys have yourselves a safe and a wonderful week, and we'll see you again in a few days. Bye-bye.